Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send money PayPal to Xoom. First, ensure your PayPal account is fully linked and verified, which is crucial for secure transactions and compliance. Make certain your PayPal balance or chosen funding method has enough money for your intended transfer amount. If you are new to Xoom, create an account, and connecting PayPal will be a straightforward, guided process. This initial setup is vital for a smooth and successful international money transfer. Once logged into Xoom, either through their website or the mobile application, your next step is to initiate the money transfer. Look for the Send Money button, which is typically easy to find. Carefully select the destination country for your recipient, as this determines available services. Then, choose the specific delivery method that works best, like a direct bank deposit or convenient cash pickup at a designated location. This starts your secure transaction. Now, you will enter all the crucial details about your recipient and the money itself. Type in the exact amount you plan to send, and Xoom will clearly show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Carefully provide your recipient's full legal name, ensuring it matches their official identification. Then, input their correct bank account details or choose the precise cash pickup location. Always double-check every piece of information for accuracy. Finally, you will reach the review screen, which is your last chance to verify everything. Carefully look over the entire transaction summary, ensuring all details, including the fees and the final amount your recipient will get, are correct. Confirm that your selected payment method is indeed PayPal. When you are fully satisfied, simply click the Send or Confirm button to finalize your transfer. Remember to save your transaction tracking number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.